Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC reacts to AMP Ninja Warrior. Let's get into it.
Headphones already? Okay.
No. Get your fat ass up. Do not bet against this bro. He's cheating. He's a cheater. He's broke.
Leah, how I lied? What I lied about? I don't like being called a liar, bro. I'm a man of my word.
Welcome, ladies.
First of all, let me set y'all straight real quick. Hey Petty fam, what's up? We're back with another video. And Clarence NYC is reacting to AMP Ninja Warrior. But don't y'all be coming for Clare, okay? He is Petty fam, okay? So if you come for him, you gotta come for all of us, right, y'all? All right, let's get back to it. Twitch better watch out.
Gentlemen, to AMP American Ninja Warrior, I'm your host, Aim High, and tonight you are going to be seeing the 6 guys take on the American Ninja Warrior course. It's a beautiful AMP consistent Monday. At least I hope it's a Monday. If it's not a Monday...
Alright, so we won't play Outlast and we'll play Detroit today. We'll do a poll. We'll We'll poll up. Hold on.
Monday, you know someone f***ed up, but alas, we're here. Let's get into it. Let's see the guys. Let's go down to the course. And let's start to see who has the guts to make it out of this course alive.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the course.
Hell yeah! You got this, Davis!
Go.
What the f***? You turn white? I can't do none of that, though.
Jesus.
Well, I'm not that tall to grab that shit.
I can do that all day.
Oh,
I can't do none of this shit.
What the fuck?
You as hell, nigga. Come on, little boy. I think I'm just fat.
Nah, you come fat too.
Hey,
Wait.
But that nigga going to Neverland.
What?
What is doing? Like Tarzan.
The Tarzan shit,
Yeah, he's on monkey bars.
I know his arms. Oh, hell nah. You lost me.
Bro, who's going to fight?
Hey, you got me fucked up.
Nigga, I can't do that neither. I can't do none of this.
How the fuck he got up there? The Tarzan shit,
Yeah, he's on monkey bars.
I want to see Phantom do this.
Oh, hell nah. You lost me.
You gotta run up the ramp. You gotta run up the ramp. Now, you know who I got my money on, y'all. In case y'all did not know. To Dennis all day. I think Kai could do it too. I think Phantom gonna do pretty well, but he ain't gonna get up that wall. And who else? Agent gonna do pretty okay. You know, I think Agent he be like, I ain't even gotta hurt myself with this whole mess. You know, he like me. He like, I'm gonna opt out of that one.
Bro, who's gonna fight?
Hey, you got me fucked up.
Nigga, I can't do that neither. I can't do none of this. And we thought this through.
Nigga, Shane was on my ass saying if I couldn't do it, watch me cook it and you be like,
You know what? I'm gonna give Chris a good chance too. Chris is good. Because I know it's the Chris next door and there's the other Chris. My favorite Chris. I think my favorite Chris, the one right here with the bandana hat, with the writing on it, over here that I'm in front of, you can't see right now. I think he gonna do okay.
Shut the fuck up.
Ladies and gentlemen, I figured out who's going first. Who would like to go first?
Me!
alright.
Phantom Agent.
First up, I'm going
Phantom Agent, and I don't think Kai could do it. I'm not gonna lie, and Davis. I don't think they could do it.
Or 0-0. Hell yeah!
That's gonna be tough.
I'm agreeing with Claire. I mean, he ain't got Kai, and Kai his friend, so he already know. But yeah, I think he right in his estimation. I'm going with Claire.
I'm Davis, and I'll be hosting today's.
Also, I'm real glad Claire is feeling better and he able to do these videos. I was so worried about him, y'all. Prayer work, y'all.
Ninja Warrior. Contrary to popular rumors and allegations spread about me, I would like to come here to clear my name. I did not do anything wrong before the shoot.
So will you be able to perform in today's room?
Not in this one.
What y'all think he gonna do?
Come here.
I'm locked and loaded, man.
Slow down. Look,
Bro, no one's fat shaming nobody. We're all about body positivity.
He's still a get
Body
I feel
positivity.
like, why he always on my ass, though?
Bro, cause like
Because I'm fat. I know that. But like, if he don't compete this and I do, I'm never gonna stop talking shit.
Yeah, right? I'd have to overperform to be slept on.
AJ, I want you to just do better than Duke.
Wait.
We have to not have Duke whenever he...
Not better than Duke. Like, I'm with y'all. I love Agent too. I love all of them actually. But even though I don't do any videos as much, y'all want to see more AMP, let me know. But they're my boys, and when Claire react to it, I'm definitely reacting to it. At least I'm gonna try. I need to get better at that. Y'all excuse me.
I'm gonna beat Duke, I promise.
Okay, if you beat Duke,
you can buy me a Maserati. Give me
100%.
Hell
Locked
yeah.
in. We
lock in, bro.
On RP. All right, let's go.
Hell yeah, man!
Come on, y'all. Let's get excited. Yay, Agent. Yay, Agent. Let's go, boy. Some nice effects, though.
Agent 00! The millionaire has been seen in private yachts and offshore islands. We've heard about him being the first AMP millionaire and, of course, his acquisition of a small startup.
I did that. Agent got that cheddar, y'all. That's what I'm saying. He optional with this. He doing it for kicks, boo. He don't need the prize money. He putting it up there.
By the company named Vought. We'll see what that has in store for the future plan for the young entrepreneur.
My name is Agent Zero, and I'll be competing in Canadian Ninja Warrior. I am in no way fit to compete in this competition, but I'm here, so I have to do my best.
Okay? I didn't say nothing about her weight, Cat.
Handles with his arms, he's there and off immediately.
Exactly. Exactly, KB. There's a difference between stating the obvious versus body posse.
I don't think he understands what he's doing exactly. That's okay.
Y'all just stop, okay? Because first of all, you know, people with different sizes do stuff every day. It's about having, you know, your body together that you can lift weights and stuff. Like a lot of this stuff is upper body. So if you weigh whatever you weigh and you got your upper body strength, you can do a lot of this competition. Like most of it is using your upper body strength. Now if you don't have, it don't matter how much you work out. If you don't do no weights with your upper body, you're gonna have problems with this.
Short girl Bree, we all know he's a millionaire. He said offshore islands and shit. We're all millionaires.
On the board. He's not qualified for this.
We're all fucking millionaires.
Qualified for this.
Cat, do you want to fight?
He's gonna play his part. He's not even moving. He's not moving.
That nigga said offshore islands and shit. Nigga, I don't got an island. Niggas don't got islands. Niggas just don't get islands every day, bro.
Wait, I'm gonna think.
What I tell y'all niggas?
I'm about to take that money. Come on, man. Let me hear what you're playing.
At least he's giving effort, ladies and gentlemen. Can we get some claps in the chat?
That's a lot of weight coming down.
I for one applaud this man.
My wrist.
Oh baby, I wouldn't have did nobody else. I ain't even laughing because you know you already know I can't do this. Never could. Ain't no athlete. Love him though.
I made that though.
I know you guys at home are ready to go. I'm ready to go. I mean, come on. I mean, this is just hard. We're playing leapfrog here.
5 minutes in.
Frogger. That's a traffic game. I'm not even thinking of the right thing.
I could have went home to New York.
So this would look like a temple run of some sort.
Yeah, good job, nigga. Woo! Go, Agent.
Damn, I'm gonna have to. The shit moved!
Hey, don't keep my money.
I got 10 past the rope.
You can't even do that.
I got 10 past the rope.
See, you know what? I love Phantom because he a real New York dude. He got money on the game already. He got his cash out. He like, look, I got 10 on this rope. He got side bets going.
You gotta be light on your feet, bro. You gotta be light on your feet. I got 20.
I'd like to think he's a little bit more athletic than
They got the money out.
this. He is struggling in the air on these handlebars.
This could be cool. Damn, boy.
Why he trying to do that?
So so much shit. Get your fat ass up.
God, the guys are just ripping him one. Bro, I have a bad wrist, and all these workouts are like pulling on it.
Check out the
Thank you. That's what I'm saying, baby. Just bow out. It's okay, Pooh. You wouldn't win in life, Pooh. Like, you ain't got to worry about this competition.
A bad wrist is so crazy.
I'm gonna pee real quick and come back, and he's still not gonna be.
Serve post with the gifted.
I didn't even know he was. I didn't even know he's still out there. This man is get off the course. Hey, get off the course. Please, bro, can we do 10? Will you quit? Can we do?
Hey, I'm done.
You suck. You suck. You suck. Hey, don't say that. But you're not no fucking ninja warrior, bro. I go to the gym every day, but you just a ninja. Wait.
Guys, I'm fat, and I tweaked my wrist, so I can't keep up.
Bro. I'm fat too. Nigga warrior, bro. Kai's not even getting on the first ball. Hey, listen. How much I got that Kai can't reach the first bar? Nah, I got 30. He getting on the first ball. Wait. I got 30 getting on the first ball. 30 he getting on it? I got 30 getting on the first ball. I got 30. I got 20 that he getting past the first thing. He's doing. Hold on. Let me reevaluate, nigga. Hold on. Wait, let me see.
He's not getting past that. I put 30 on that.
No, 20.
20, bet.
Not you when you hungry. Where you get it from? A PC. Nah, let me get a little bit. How much it cost? Nah, let me get a little bit. How much it cost? Don't finish it, bro. Let me get a little bit. How much it cost?
See, y'all playing. That's my change on the table. So I got a little bit. I got a little salt in the game. That's my coins right there.
$1.50. Guy just goes.
$1.50. It costs his dick. Nice.
Yo, nigga said it cost his dick.
On to the course. A highly anticipated run here from Mr. Cinet. KC 300,000 coming off of his subathon. Can he find the strength and the willpower to will him through another incredible challenge?
Bro, that run up the.
I think Kai got it though. I think he got a lot of it. I think he at least get through halfway.
Oh shit, bro. Bro, I don't even know if I can do that shit. I've never ran up a wall ever.
What? Put it in your mouth. Yeah.
Yo.
What up, y'all? Last week, Paramount hooked us up with a private screening to see Dungeons and Dragons: Honor Among Thieves.
I need popcorn butter. I need the smoothie. I need the red thing. I need the pizza. I need the pepperoni with the pizza. I need the whole shit, man.
The movie was actually pretty lit. We had a good time.
Damage from the Red Wizard's blade. There was no way to revive her.
Yeah. My baby boy got real tears. I'm so mad at him.
What the fuck is Dungeons and Dragons?
I was trying to find like a bad reason to do that, but it was actually a.
What's my I guess I probably need my 35 plus crew or something. Like, they bringing it back. The Dungeons and Dragons, y'all look it up. It was an old game, like way back. And I'm talking about way back. And I mean before like Nintendo and etc. Okay. So y'all look it up. But I don't know. I didn't know they was making a movie.
Man, that was a beautiful story.
10 out of 10, bro.
That was fine.
That was a fire movie, bro. I fuck with the movie.
Right.
See Dungeons and Dragons: Honor Among Thieves now in theaters everywhere. And today,
I just realized that was an ad. Oh, that's crazy.
Ninja Warrior.
There's a lot of chatter here in the box tonight, and he's easily up on these handlebars. Those are the bike handlebars I like to call.
I like that energy. See? Kai? Go ahead, Kai.
Hey, boy, bro, you want to play me one-on-one?
Pogo stick reversal. He's familiar with that. Loves a good pogo. Duke Dennis wanting to put it all in the house on his friend. He's seen his friend mess with pogos and a fidget spinner. Look at him go. You know he's born after the year 2000. Look at the way he maneuvers a fidget spinner. And again, these guys are getting lost. I don't even think that's part of the chorus. You say he won't? You say he won't? He won't.
He said he was born after the year 2000. Shout out to all my millennials and my Gen X's. My Gen Z's and my millennials. Yes, babies.
I got 10 will. Lock.
Bro, he been working out for 30 days straight.
He got it, I'm telling you. He came close, he got it. Hell yeah!
I knew he had the monkey bar. bars now. Don't play with him.
Y'all go here?
It's whole arms, bro.
Yeah, I think the only problem he gonna have is the wall shit.
Counting his money, counting his stacks. You can see the friends feel very confident. Oh my God, is he hard? That is literally AMP's investment.
The whole shit's arms.
Nigga, I'm talking about the money.
Yo, bro. I got 50, he can't do the ramp. Nigga on God.
Luckily they're safe. Man, I'm counting the money. There's a lot of betting going on here.
First of all, if y'all didn't see, I mean, I guess they do get to come back on Ninja Warrior. I think they get a couple attempts. Never mind.
Meanwhile, Kaicenat struggling right now with these ropes.
I'm keeping this in real life too.
Yo, what the fuck? They fighting?
Yo, Kai, what
What's good? What's good, bro?
Come on, Kai, stay there, little nigga.
Agent Patrick?
Yeah, he did. No, he didn't. You can quit here, Kai. You can quit here.
See how he
Somebody
maneuvers
nigga
this?
say you could quit here. Oh, there's a rope there.
Oh, no. Nah, he can't make that.
Y'all other nigga did that.
Come on, Kai. Come on. No.
How steep that is.
Let's put that.
Oh my gosh, we have some friends in AMP excited for his downfall. He's passing this up.
This nigga played on his downfall. Oh, look how happy he is, though. Nah, that's a real smile right there. That's real joy.
He gave up?
Put his nose in
Dirty, bro, right there.
bro.
My hands is
Bro, you know how hard your grip gotta be, bro?
Please.
You gotta grab that, like,
Using that bird properly.
Oh, my God, Kai. Kai, please.
that's hard. That's hard as hell.
Pack it the fuck up, nigga. I'm up 30.
See what I'm talking about? That upper body. That ain't nothing but that's your shoulders, that's your arms, and it hurt like heck because you gotta pull your whole body weight up and over.
And he finally hits the button. Kaicenat with the finish. Unbelievable. KC 300,000. And Mr. Duke Dennis himself lining up for a run with a little ninja kick here and a ninja kick there.
Nah, the ninja kick is crazy.
Duke. Let's see what he's got.
I'm Duke Dennis. I'm finna be competing in the Ninja Warrior shit, the Ninja Warrior contest.
I know I'm old, but whatever.
I'm put 20 on flawless. I'm chill on that. Yeah, I'm not
Flawless?
gonna. I think it's gonna flawless.
Kill my fucking Snickers, nigga. That's like pop, nigga. That's like you got $20 in your name. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Fuck you
A lot
talking
of
about.
intensity over here on the
Nigga,
bench.
Phantom ate his Snickers.
Show your fucking pants, nigga.
Where's a big drop? Where's a big drop anywhere?
How you
right
eat a nigga
here.
Snickers?
Lined up in the arena.
Oh my God, he got it.
Bike handles, easy for him. Going on to the pogo stick where he started cheering on his friend Kaicenat.
Hell yeah.
Easy. He's got a grip on that. Real tough.
He's not.
Onto the trampoline. You can hear the dings.
I sound like a fucking
Wait, you sound like a dick rider. You got this, Duke?
What's the point of this one?
Fidget spinner. Easy.
I don't think. Is he gonna go perfect though? Hold on. Man, look at the length on those steps.
What?
I think this is
What?
what
Man.
I think this is what he feels.
Nah, he don't feel here. This is
Nah,
monkey
this
bars.
is easy. This is easy.
This park shit, nigga.
He
Look.
just went 2.
This park.
Nah,
He feels at that. He feels like the rings of
Monkey bars. He looks like a natural at monkey bars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, actually, I agree.
Yeah. And it's not good.
Ooh, adjustment.
Come on, people.
The biggest of all.
Man, he's really doing this. This is insane work right now for Mr. Dennis.
No?
He put his foot down right there.
That's what you're supposed to.
With the 5
Come on, the
months.
trampoline is.
Bro, just because you're broke doesn't mean you got to cheat.
He's a bitch, nigga. But we all have bitches.
I'm glad they didn't. I'm glad they
Tell
weren't.
my bitch go backstage. Huh? Go backstage, bro. After my performance, then his performance, go backstage.
Go to the green room.
You wanna put 20 that he passed this or not?
No, I see it.
Come on.
I'm good.
Nah, you pussy, nigga.
I see it.
It's the fuck up. He passed. You should have bet that.
Bro, why is niggas rooting for each other? Why is they rooting for Duke, but they don't root for
Kaicenat had
anybody else?
trouble with this. Duke Dennis says, no, sir. This is
See, look,
easy.
he didn't
One
even need
attempt,
the fucking
and he's up.
Yo, that's a.
That's why. Sorry. I'm being petty again. But yeah. He went up. I don't know. I mean, I still, it ain't over till it's over though.
Athletic individual right there.
Who the fuck is this nigga think he is? I'm about to smack the shit out this T-drop nigga.
You wouldn't say that to his face though when he goes up. When he's done the course, you probably wouldn't say.
Hey, he was cheering for you, Kai.
But why you gotta open up?
This side right here.
Huh?
That right there.
Bro, what the fuck?
2 for twice.
Insane athleticism right here we're experiencing.
Yeah, they felt way better than last month.
And he drops! Run it back! Give me my fucking money!
No,
Give me my money!
Put it down, nigga.
It is
He can run it back.
No, it's not.
He can run it back.
No, nigga.
I said he completes the whole course. That's what we said.
Nigga.
No, bro.
Use a bitch, nigga. Shut up,
I hate when niggas cheat just to make money because they're broke. I'm not betting against Fanner. This nigga's a cheater. Do not bet against this broke fuck.
Petty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How you really feel? Sheesh.
He's cheating. The cheater. He's broke too. Fuck that.
It was flawless. Nigga, you fucked up.
That nigga agent, that ass tight.
I got 100 that he...
So what you gonna bet?
I bet $5 you don't finish that.
I got 10 right there, you don't do that. How much? 10.
Don't bet against him. You about to get hoes, bro.
A lot of people just lost a lot of money.
Agent really tight.
Hey, are you on feet too? Hey, Chris not trying to bet any money, y'all. No.
Of course, bro.
Say that he passed.
Nah, he cheating.
He's not cheating.
You can use your legs.
Cheating.
He's not cheating.
That's cheating.
No, it's not.
Bro, he's cheating.
No, it's not. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Oh, we got to the right.
Now back down normal. He's got to twist his body around. No. You cheating.
Doing this
So successfully.
Doing this in Air Force is crazy.
Put the one on the table.
Doing that in Air Force is so crazy.
There it is. Wow. Duke Dennis, money all over the place.
Give my money.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This nigga still talking about the Apple Watch, bro.
What is he talking about?
Bro, ain't nothing fake about me, gang.
Dollar bills.
Fuck, I'm gonna cop a fake Apple Watch for.
Lost. Dollar bills won.
This nigga's self-reflecting because he got a fake Apple Watch.
And I'm out with the bread.
Okay, first of all, y'all leave Claire alone, okay? Because Claire working, right? You watching his channel, okay, Petty? Don't come at him because, first of all, you on his Twitch and then you talking mess. Like, get your Twitch and let's see what's up.
Money, man.
Yo, this nigga Phantom is ass betting.
3 contestants.
Phantom over here ass betting niggas.
It's 41 seconds ahead of Duke Dennis.
What? 41? 41 seconds?
I said he didn't believe in us. But God did. Look, I mean,
1 second. What?
Kaicenat, after 3 contestants. Kaicenat is 41 seconds ahead of Duke Dennis.
What? 41? 41 seconds?
I said he didn't believe in us. But God did. Look,
What
I
the
mean,
fuck? How's he at first place?
Thanks for the break down. Hey, let's get my money down on this.
Bro.
Hey, agent.
Bro.
Yeah, get back, get
Bro, Kyle literally didn't even finish the course.
Let's get a breakdown.
That part. Thank you. I was gonna bring that up, sir. Thank you, Duke. He did not do the wow. He didn't do the little ladder thing. He didn't do the stairs.
I did faster than you in that one. You took 41 seconds slower than I did over there. You should have.
No, you didn't finish the course though, gangy.
I go fuck.
Next up,
I'm about to get other.
Chris.
I'm about to get
other house.
How much you that?
Phantom's not. Chris next door is up.
Chris, why are you not betting money? Why are you not betting
being
money?
lied to?
Oh, just playing it safe. Just playing it safe,
I bet you $200.
Chris is pretty athletic.
You get past the first.
Look! You don't even got to.
$50, nigga.
50? Bet 50. I bet 50.
Alright, 50. Alright, bet. Who else? I bet no money on this nigga. He better not bet shit. Hey, Chris, go ahead and show these niggas what you got going on, my brother.
Chris is athletic though.
He finna like.
Go, nigga!
That's one thing. I told y'all Chris is athletic. Thank you, Claire.
Yeah.
Only.
Queen is on NLE's album.
You call it. Chris, lock your phone if you don't fucking show her number. Lock your phone.
We can listen to it.
Money going on right now.
Hello?
That's really what's going on. Oh, wait.
I need some motivation. Like,
Chris next door's on the phone.
I'm about to do
Let's
this,
listen
like,
in.
this Ninja Warrior shit, and I don't know. I just need. I don't know if I'm gonna get first place, and it's just like this.
You got this. You gonna get some people. You gonna get some donations.
Yeah, I'm going to get still. Can you give me some more? I don't know. Can you give me some real motivation, please?
Whole time, I've been laying in bed, but I'll get out of bed right now for being security. You gotta come in first place. You gotta come in first place, sir.
Do you have 5 friends too? 4.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I am so sorry. I did not know this was in there. Y'all, for real? Seriously?
Do you got 5 friends?
I could get 5 friends.
Okay.
Yo, what's wrong with these niggas?
Okay, that's me. All your friends going to suck on.
Yeah,
Injuries, coming off of some weird just situations with the knee and the lower half of his body. Prayers to those knees.
My name is Chris Next Door, and I'm here to be the Ninja Warrior champion of the world. Woo! Let's go. Sports. Let's go. Come on, clap it, come on.
First of all, Chris, I feel some kind of way, so now I'm mad. I think sis needs to go back to bed because you ain't coming in first.
Chris is ahead, bro.
But wait no longer because he's up and ready to go. Here he goes, challenging. Come on.
Never mind. He gonna come in first. He gonna cheat his way through this. I told you, Chris is, like he said, like Claire just said, Chris got issues. He's like, I ain't gonna actually win this. I ain't gonna actually do this, but I'm gonna get coached through and I'm gonna have everybody else say I won. See, that's that game right there, y'all. Chris got a lot of game.
What are we doing?
Niggas is helping him.
What is this? To be honest, I don't support any of this. You guys see this at home? Listen, I'm just a caster. There's a lot of weird things going on here, but he is crushing the course, taking on penalties right now. I don't know if he's just making baskets. I have no idea what course he's on, but he's Phantom Bigavelli is up, ladies and gentlemen. This man, Phantom Bigavelli, been spending a lot of time in a virtual universe. Can he get himself out of the RP space and into reality to where he has to maneuver this American Ninja Warrior course?
Yo, what's up, bro? My name's Phantom, man. I'm competing in the American Ninja Warrior for all this bread.
What I will say is, Phantom is gonna come in first with the swag.
Not be the fastest or the most athletic person here, but I'm gonna win. I'm gonna keep it above. You feel me? Yes, I'm overweight by 210 pounds, but that won't stop me here today. If anything, I'll be the first ever.
Overweight by 210 pounds is so crazy.
Damn, that was hard.
Here he goes. This man looks. I don't even know if he should attempt that. Be careful.
Phantom strong, bro. That nigga's strong,
I almost thought he was gonna separate his shoulders,
bro,
but somehow he figures out a way to. Oh, he's down. Be careful. Strong ankles that man has. Strong ankles. And just no vertical whatsoever.
Yo, bro, that nigga didn't do that one challenge,
On the side of Phantom Bigavelli.
He goes playing ankle watches.
Yo.
Phantom lost in the Narnia side of the course here.
Yo.
Look at him go.
Yo.
Nah, he's an athletic big nigga though.
Oh, he's definitely not doing it. Hey, just walk past the game.
Looks so good right there.
Come on,
He's
man.
trying to think.
Come on, nigga.
Friends coming to help.
Come on, you got this, bro. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on.
He said, "Fuck it."
Ain't even no
America.
All right.
Oh yeah, you definitely gonna get it with running
Hey,
space.
start from the window. Bro. Go. Come on.
Yeah, you got it right there. You got it right there.
For real?
Yeah, he got it. He got it right there.
Oh yeah.
Get him, Phantom. Get him. See, that's what I'm talking about. Get that.
Second Phantom with the late surge.
Almost had it. He started thinking about it. He started thinking about how to get over that last part. He had it. You can do it again, Pooh. Come on, Phantom.
Nigga burned his hands.
Wow, I haven't seen him move like that since '86.
Come on, you got the next one, bro. Easy, bro. This is too easy, bro.
I mean, this is just. Even for him, like his mother, like, I'm like.
This shit low key not even funny. Like,
yes.
He's adorable too, but he did try. I give him points for trying because he really did give it effort.
What a run from fan of the people's hero! What?
Get my 50, bitch.
We locked. Nigga, we locked.
Hey, so I won, right?
I won. I'm the most athletic.
No. Yeah, I won.
Oh, yeah, you won.
Yeah. Hold on. I can call her and see
Call her back, nigga.
All right, let me call her back.
No, you gotta get this nigga right.
You still got me?
Nah, don't come.
Yeah,
Don't
fuck
fucking
you,
come.
fuck you.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
So
If I ain't get ahead, you ain't get ahead. So I'm lost. You lost, nigga.
You eliminated, but you
Developing news, ladies
nigga
and
said you didn't even do the whole shit for real.
On AMP Network, AMP, American Ninja Warrior. No
Why
one's
didn't
getting
Davis
ahead.
do it though?
That's tough. What a way to find out. What a way to find out.
I did finish, nigga. Nigga. You saw me hit the button.
Why he crying?
From here to there. You put T/top.
Nah, you ain't gonna get to finish twice tonight. It's tough.
Coming in third place with a time of 3 minutes and 54 seconds, but with penalties 8 minutes and 24 seconds. None other than
Phantom with the cannon.
Are you fourth place? That's good.
8 minutes.
Third. Some shit.
it's known here that both of you guys are two athletic specimen, very comparable builds
Specimen is
when
great.
it comes to this athletic stuff. And I think we already know who won this. The reigning athletic champion in the Ninja Warrior for today is my brother, Kaicenat!
Oh, Kaicenat! Becoming a trend. And wait, Kaicenat coming out with the belt. He's got somebody to. What's going on here? Interesting developments. I'm taking it to you live. Greg's telling me in my earpiece just to report what I see. A lot of visuals coming down. I'm reporting it just as I see it, just like you. They're talking about something.
nigga did it quicker,
Phantom
bro.
Kai, they're not happy. I can tell you that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Kaicenat laid a big one on Phantom. He's taking a chair to him. Phantom's down. The people hero's down. He's going for a pin. Whoa, no! Phantom kicked him off. Oh, an elbow. But you saw it here first. What an amazing time here at AMP, American Ninja Warrior.
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a lot. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Hit the bell, become part of the Noodle Squad. Black Clare got rid of that dude.